The hardest part is not asking artificial intelligence for a mood. It is keeping the mood while stripping away the artist. Today, TonkaToyXL is testing that idea with the MiniMax music model. We started with one late-night R&B reference, but we did not upload the track, copy the lyrics, map the melody, borrow the chords, or ask for the performer's voice. The reference stays outside the generator. What can we use? Abstractions. The public release is categorized as R&B/soul. The useful creative observations are broad: a slow-feeling pulse, late-night atmosphere, intimate vocal space, restrained trap percussion, and an arrangement that gains weight without becoming crowded. A style name alone is vague, but an artist name is too specific. So we describe the emotional temperature, pace, negative space, drum behavior, and mix growth. Then we rebuild the story, and every musical decision from zero. Our original song is called after Image Offline. It is about ending a recurring digital relationship by turning off the last device that keeps pulling you back. The emotional destination is clarity, not accusation. The prompt starts with a measurable anchor. Original alternative R&B at 76 beats per minute with a slow halftime feel. Then it adds glassy pads, a filtered pulse, controlled bass and drums, and enough negative space for the vocal to stay clear. Next comes vocal behavior. We ask for an unbranded adult vocalist with quiet, conversational verses and a wider but controlled hook. The prompt rejects celebrity resemblance, signature ad-libs, recognizable melody, samples, reference audio, and artist imitation. Then we describe the shape over time: a light intro, a quiet verse, a wider hook, a nearly silent bridge, a final lift, a fading tail. This is where a prompt stops being a list and starts behaving like direction. The lyrics are original too: rain on dark glass, router lights, an unfinished message, a cooling phone. The refrain is a new idea: I will not answer the after image. No words or situations were taken from the reference. The music model received our description and lyrics through its official public workflow. We created a 60-second test and kept the same creative boundary. Here is the actual result. No reference audio was uploaded.
Blue light breathing on the wall, one unsent line, and that is all. Rain turns the window into static. Your name is waiting in the draft. I know the shape of this old habit. One little spark and I go back. I let the phone cool on the table and listen past the need to hear. No more circles in the glass, no more saving what is past. I will not answer the after image. I will not let the echo make it real.
The model landed the most important first-pass qualities: a sparse opening, a clear vocal center, and controlled low-end growth. It left enough space for the lyric to lead. It also exposed a real limitation. In 60 seconds, the verse and opening hook fit, but the bridge and final resolution did not. So this is a generated showcase, not a finished single. We kept the raw file, generation seed, prompt, lyrics, and hash. The larger lesson is simple. Inspiration gets safer when it moves upward into abstractions. Originality returns when the story, lyrics, vocal identity, structure, and production choices are rebuilt from zero. This is still not a legal guarantee. Artificial intelligence generated does not automatically mean copyright-free. Every candidate needs a human review for similarity and usage rights before publication. Start with what the feeling does, remove who made it famous, write a new human story. Direct change over time, then judge the output honestly. That is AI music without the shortcut, and those are AI stories that actually matter.